if your floor grout is disgusting and you've been thinking about cleaning it with baking soda, but you don't know what's the best option, do you use baking soda by itself? Do you mix it with the vinegar? Do you mix it with the hydrogen peroxide? You're not sure what to do? Then watch my video, because I road tested all 3 variations so you didn't have to. The answers are interesting. I started by taping off a grid where I could do a side-by-side comparison of the 3 different products. Then I lined everything up, labelled all the containers and put the same amount of bicarb soda into each container. And then I mixed everything to just a nice consistent paste. I found that the one mixed with water was basically equal parts 1-to-1 water to soda, but the vinegar and the peroxide mixtures, they required a little bit more moisture. Then over I went to the test grid, and I just got a cloth with some clean water and put a bit of moisture onto that dry grout line. Got the mixtures, plopped it in the grout line. The runnier ones spread a lot easier. And I gave each one a bit of a scrub. I didn't put a lot of effort into it, just sort of spread it around and got it into the little holes in the grout. And then I sat down and had a coffee. Grabbed a bucket with some clean water, got my trusty cloth, wiped all the mess away and looked for the magic. Straight away I could see the difference. Even though the grout was wet, and that makes it darker, I could see that it was so much cleaner. When the grout was dry, I peeled the tape off and I got down and had a really close look at the difference. That's the uncleaned section. And you can see the line to the cleaned section. It's definitely made a difference. That is the bicarb only square. Come along here. This is the bicarb and vinegar square. You come back here. That's the bicarb and hydrogen peroxide square. You do need to keep stirring it because the soda sinks to the bottom and the water floats to the top, so it turns to muck. So you just need to stir it regular. And I found the easiest way to put it on is to just spoon it out. Use the back of the spoon to spread it along the grout line.